National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for a county in west central Florida, south central Hillsborough County in west central Florida, northwestern Sarasota County in west central Florida, until 8:45. A severe thunderstorm was located over West Samoset or over Bradenton, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind.
Here we go, SVR.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sarasota, Bradenton, Palmetto, Bayshore Gardens, Lake Manatee State Park, Lakewood Ranch, Elenton, Samoset, South Bradenton, and Palma Sola. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 a.m. for west central Florida. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 a.m. for west central Florida. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 a.m. for the following counties in Florida: Hillsborough and Manatee.
Holy crap. Oh my